I'm so in love with my new checkered pants, 'cause they are awesome. But what's not awesome is that they fit here, but not here. So today we're gonna fix it. It's so easy. So stay tuned and subscribe.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this quick and easy waist downsizing project, all you need is the 2 big waistband, some sort of cutting tool, a length of elastic, safety pin, and needle and thread. So your first step is to simply put a mark a few centimeters on either side of the center of the waistband. Then, using those marks as a guide, grab your cutting tool or your scissors and cut a small opening through just the interior layer of fabric on that waistband. Once you have your openings cut on either side, go ahead, put a safety pin in the end of your elastic and feed it on through. Then once your elastic is all the way through, you want it to be pulled through tight enough that it's gathering that up, but still loose enough that there's enough stretch that you can still get the pants on. Then all you have to do is pin the elastic in place so it doesn't snap back. Then go ahead and trim it, tuck it in a little bit, fold in the raw edges, and stitch everything together to hold it in place. Once you have one side done, go ahead and repeat the whole process on the other side, and then enjoy your fancy new, better fitting waistband. Yeah. Waistband fixed. Gotta love it, waistband fixed. Can't even really pull it at all, which is awesome. So now you can bend over, you can jump, and you know what? That's not gonna kind of flap open and expose anything you don't want to have exposed. So for loads more downsizing, upsizing, refashionista upcycling tutorials, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesauceashattery.com. And as always, subscribe to me everywhere: Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, YouTube, Instagram, just everywhere. And share your favorite refashionista tutorials with your online circles. And let's get everyone living a more sustainable, eco-friendly lifestyle. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.